What am I thinking and what am I looking for when I walk through a house? Well, I will show you. Stand by. Let's get it. Hey, I just wanted to show you guys what I'm about to walk in this house. Going for about 35 for it. That's what he owes. Maybe anywhere from 80 to 95,000 is what the ARV would be. We're just gonna walk in this right quick. In pretty good condition. Kitchen don't need repairs, but this is more or less gonna be probably a rental unless someone wants to spend some real money in it. But as far as a rental, it wouldn't take, maybe $5 grand probably to get this house ready to go. Got hardwood throughout, so that wouldn't be a cost no more than just probably a mop. Unless you were gonna retail it, it would be something totally different or whatever. So let's walk through here, but this house is in good condition. Motivated seller, bought it for his son. Son moved out of town and just want to liquidate it. Just wants what he owes on it, so I really can't go below that. So it's a 3-bedroom, 1 bathroom right in here. This is one of the bedrooms. Has a closet, so it has 2 closets actually. So that actually makes it a legitimate bedroom. Walk down the hall here. Another bedroom. Closet makes it a bedroom. So this house is in definitely rental shape right now for someone if they wanted it. The exterior needs a little paint or whatever, but this is gonna be a little weird. It's an older house, so it's gonna be weird, but technically if you look over here, there's a closet, so technically it's a bedroom, even though it's right off the kitchen, off the front door. But a lot of these older houses have these funky layouts like this, so boom. This would be an opportunity. So the end game on this for a buyer would probably be a rental. So if I can get it at 35, which I'm sure I can, maybe wholesale it maybe at 40, 42. So maybe anywhere from 5 to 7, pick up. So I just wanted to give you a quick walkthrough of a house like this.